Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video we're doing my medium-sized coaster tray, and I have premixed already my resin, which is 1:1 ratio, and I've got 3 plastic cups on the side where I'm pouring my resin, and another one, a little bit bigger one for the white color. And we're going to use my ocean white pigment paste. It's really pigmented color, so you need really just a little bit of it, and make sure you mix it really well. And for the main color I will use my pastel colors of the blue shade, and it's really beautiful pigment as it's really intense and opaque as well, so you just need a couple of drops and it's really not see-through. It's a beautiful colors. So I've got my greenish color, and I've got a blue, and another one is like a gray blue. So make sure you shake colors really well before you use them. And I just added 3 drops, and you can see how beautiful and full on colors this one is. So it's not see-through, it's really nice one. So make sure you really mix well your colors. I've got some crushed glass as well on the side with some combination of blue green colors. And for the second color we're using a blue color. Again, make sure it's nicely mixed, and then just adding 5 drops for our other cup, and again mix it really well. And the color is really nice. I really like this resin ink, as it's really pastel, but at the same time it's really beautiful and full on colors. And for the last color I'm going to use, it's still blue shade, but it's a bit more with a gray side, so it's a bit of like grayish color. And I just added a few drops of this one, and we'll mix it really well. And I've got some clear resin on the side as well, as we will need it for our middle to finish our result and to help for colors to spread and create the pattern. So just double mix again all colors. And what I'm going to do, I will have an empty cup where I'm going to pour all 3 of my blue colors in there, and then we're going to, after this only, we will be pouring the colors into our mold. So just double mix again, make sure all colors is really well mixed. And I will start with a gray blue color, just putting all color in the bigger cup. And after this we are going to do green color, and then to finish blue on top. And like I said, I've got some clear resin on the side as well, so I'm just finishing with the blue, putting in the middle, and then when we're ready we will be just pouring the resin on the side of the coaster. And I can't wait to see what result we will get from this. And I will be just going over a few times until all resin is gone. And I'm using my beautiful mold with a bubble effect on the side. I really like it how it's torn up, so it's really like a bubbly, pearly effect. It's so cool. I really like it. So just going quickly over with a torch, make sure we're all bubble free. When you do this, go really nice and quick so you're not gonna damage your mold or overheat the resin. And again, just mixing my white, and we're ready to pour the white just on the side of the coaster. And again, I will go few times until just all resin is gone. And to finish, we're going to pour the clear resin in the middle of the coaster, which will help the color start spreading and create our beautiful pattern. I also will add a crushed glass, and while it will be waiting time, I will go over with a torch a couple of more times. Make sure we don't have any bubbles, as mold is quite deep as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I will put on time lapse. You can see how color will be beautiful spreading and developing, and see you shortly for demolding. Thank you very much. Bye now. Hello everyone, and welcome back. And it's time to demold our beautiful little coaster tray we done the other day, and this is how beautiful it looks on a top side. Really beautiful. And let's have a look what we've got on another side. And it's my new bubble form. Let's have a look. So beautiful. It's like water lines. And let's have a look. It's so beautiful. Look at these beautiful sides and bubbly sides. I'm just in love with this form. And it's so nice. Look at all of these spreads. Really, really nice. I really like it. And this side is beautiful as well. I hope you like as well. Please like, subscribe, and leave me some comment what you think about this one. And see you soon. Thank you. Bye now.